Natural health present. What will happen to you if put garlic under your pillow? Before watching this video, please subscribe our channel and press bell icon for latest video. In addition to being one of the best seasonings, garlic is a powerful ally for your health and will treat sleep problems. Garlic is a very common food found in kitchens throughout the world and has been around for thousands of years. While it has been used to season foods, it has also been placed in many home remedies for years. Garlic has been used for cooking and medicinal purposes for thousands of years. Because garlic is such a versatile ingredient, it has many beneficial qualities. It is also high in vitamins and minerals, such as vitamin B, sodium, potassium and magnesium. It is also sulfur composed. It is recommended to be eaten every day. This old family secret has been used to improve sleep quality and depth for generations, especially in people who have a hard time falling asleep. The sulfurous compounds in garlic along with its aroma have a calming effect that helps improve the quality of your sleep. Garlic can treat many infections. It contains antioxidants and anti-inflammatories which assist in cardiovascular health. What's more is that it even has a positive effect on physical performance, as garlic helps recharge your energy for the next day. Garlic kills germs, sometimes better than some prescribed antibiotics. Did you know that garlic contains up to 100 calories per 100 grams? Garlic can pretty much improve every aspect of your bodily functions. So why would you put garlic under your pillow? Watch Natural Cures video to find out why. Garlic can improve pretty much every aspect of your bodily functions. This is especially helpful to people who have difficulty falling asleep. It has many beneficial qualities. Garlic has been used to flavor dishes, get rid of pests, and even play into superstitions of chasing away vampires. Whatever the reason, we do know that garlic is a nutrient-dense food. Now that you know more about the benefits of garlic, we'll show you a simple therapy that involves putting a clove of garlic under your pillow each night. This old family secret has been used to improve sleep quality and depth for generations, especially in people who have a hard time falling asleep. The sulfurous compounds in garlic along with its aroma have a calming effect that helps improve the quality of your sleep. In ancient times, it was thought that garlic was able to offer protection against evil spirits. In reality, this sense of security is due to its natural zinc content. What's more is that it even has a positive effect on physical performance, as garlic helps recharge your energy for the next day. Tip to remove blackheads without scarring your face: blackheads and whiteheads. This is an old family secret that has been used to improve sleep for generations. This is especially helpful to people who have difficulty falling asleep. Garlic's sulfur-containing compounds and its strong aroma have a calming effect and can help your quality sleep. Garlic's aroma is strong and can be difficult, however, after a few days, you will get used to it and you will be sleeping so soundly, you will not even notice. Garlic also has